Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today's video I am going to be showing you an unboxing because Supreme have actually, delivered in quite a fast time. I mean, the drop was Thursday and it's Saturday today and it's all been delivered, which is crazy, I'm not gonna lie. But I think last time when I had the drop, some of it came on Saturday or Sunday, and then I think some bits came on Tuesday, kind of delayed a bit, but today it's all arrived in one go, which is really good. But yeah, basically, let's do a little recap on what we actually got. I kind of crazy, I'm not gonna lie. If you didn't watch the live clip, it was crazy. And basically what happened was I only hit on like 2 items on the bot, but then everything kind of failed. I didn't hit the Kermit on the bot. Talking about this, I mean like the first run of it. A lot of people tend to just like give up after the first like 2 or 3 minutes. Like as soon as it's out of stock, it's like, well, that's it, it's out of stock. But if people don't know, is that Supreme will restock within the first 30 minutes. So obviously people get cancellations, some people might have a little bit of withdrawal, I don't know, realize that they've spent too much money and asked to cancel their orders, etc. And yeah, some of it came back in stock and I got a bit lucky, very lucky. I got lucky on the Kermit twice. I hit manually once. I was on desktop and I hit manually because the medium had restocked. But then like 2 minutes later after that, my bot actually picked up another restock and hit a 2XL, which is actually insane. So yeah, let's get onto it. Let's take a look at what it is. So I've already actually kind of opened it, but the only reason why I've opened it already is because my dad was like kind of intrigued as to what I got, because I had like a bunch of parcels and was like, oh, well, I think you might like this one because he likes the Muppets and stuff. So I showed him the jacket and I showed him the Gore-Tex jacket and he was like really surprised and was like asking me, oh, how much you gonna make, etc. I was like, well, I don't know. We'll find out there. But yeah, it's really interesting, all the stuff that I do. But yeah, take a look at some of the stuff. We'll start off with this one mainly because it's one of the main pieces that everyone were actually going for, the Spiderweb football jersey. I think mainly due to the price, and obviously it's more affordable than, like, let's say the fleece jacket and the Gore-Tex jacket. Way more affordable. So yeah, I only managed to hit a medium, or not medium, sorry. I only managed to hit a large navy. I gotta say, it looks really nice. I think it's nice. Now, something a little bit weird about me is I don't like opening everything like out of the package. Mainly because it's not for me, it's for somebody else. If it was for me, I would actually open it and show you guys the whole thing, but I'm a bit weird about like opening up everything. I'm sure you can see it like from other people's channels. Some people have like full like looks of the item, but I just don't like opening like something that's not mine. So although I did open the Gore-Tex jacket because my dad, I had to show my dad the back because obviously the Kermit was like the only interesting part of it. But yeah, we'll get onto that anyway. I will actually show you the back of the Kermit, but yeah, that's like the only thing that I'll show. But yeah, Spiderweb football jersey. I only managed to hit one in the medium. There were actually no restocks on Supreme. I didn't actually, from my experience, there was no actual restocks on Supreme. I didn't actually see any restocks pop up. I don't know if it was an issue with my bot on my side, but I didn't see any restocks. But yeah, let's move on to the next item. This was actually kind of surprising because it actually sat in stock for quite a bit. This is the fleece jacket, the Muppets one. Obviously, you got all the characters printed all over it. I actually really like this jacket. Not gonna wear it though, but I'm just saying I really like the design of it. I know people didn't like the whole gradient overlay on it, but I think it adds a little extra touch to it. It's a bit plain and simple if you just add like a random licensed image on a fleece jacket. You know, they added a bit more flair to it, if you get what I mean. But yeah, I think this will do really well in the future. It's definitely one of those like time capsule pieces that will do pretty good in the future. But yeah, you got Kermit there already. You can see him. Yeah, like I said, I don't like opening stuff, but yeah, I'm sure somebody else has opened it for you. It's cool. This is a size extra large as well. It's kind of small for an extra large, not gonna lie. I thought it would be kind of bigger, but I think it's just the way it's folded. But yeah, let's move on to the next item. This is probably the main item of the week, actually. So we have the Kermit. You can't actually see Kermit on this, but I will show you a little overlay. I'll do a bit of B-roll of me actually showing the Kermit on the back. When I actually opened it, it's kind of blurry. I'm not gonna lie, it's a bit weird. I kind of wish, like, you pay all this money for licensing fees, but why is the material makes it look so blurry? When I looked at the Kermit on the back, and I was like, why is it so blurry? Like, you can't really see it. But then again, it's more of like you see it from a distance kind of thing. It's a lot more better quality in distance versus up close. I don't know if that makes sense. Yeah, I think it's really nice. and I'm actually kind of surprised at the prices. The prices are actually insane right now. I was expecting it to be kind of like, you know, stagnant for a bit, mainly because of the weather, but I think Kermit itself has actually made it a lot more worthwhile in terms of you know, the price, etc. I think Kermit actually does a lot on the resale market anyway. There's a bunch of like old Kermit stuff that is so like iconic anyway, so something with Kermit again for a later Supreme drop, it's definitely gonna do something on the market. And I do have another one, which is the 2XL. I'm actually kind of surprised they actually let me have the 2XL because it was on the same profile. Because when I did it manually, it's like the regular profile that I have, and the one that I hit on the restock was the main profile, which was just my details normally. I'm kind of surprised they let me take both. There must have been like something slightly off that allowed it to check out, but I really don't think it was. I think Supreme made a mistake there and just gave me two. Probably shouldn't have done that, but yeah. This is the 2XL. I must say, in comparison to the medium to the 2XL, it's way bigger, obviously, because it's a 2XL, but look how big it is. But yeah, it is a 2XL. I'll show you guys the 2XL label. But yeah, 2XL is very big. Pretty sure they didn't make many of them in 2XL because I literally saw a sale for, well, I'm seeing it right now because someone actually shows it on the screenshot for StockX. The last sale was $1,321 for the 2XL. That's that really shows something. I don't know, like it's gonna do crazy. But yeah, that's all I got. Most of it will be for sale, so if you are interested, check out the eBay channel. I do have it all on my eBay. If you are from like overseas and stuff, I don't actually sell overseas, unfortunately. And to be fair, stuff like this, there's like no point in you paying extra for overseas. I'm sure there's someone in like your country, like America for example, that would be willing to sell it for a much better competitive price, should we say, compared to mine. Mainly obviously because at the end of the day you'd be paying the extra international shipping, which is going to be a lot more expensive when it comes to like maybe insuring the Gore-Tex jacket, which is going to be a lot of money anyway. So you're better off just trying to find someone in your own country. But if you are in the UK and you are interested, click in the link in the bio. I do have my eBay account there listed there. It's also like an affiliate link as well. I'm not sure I'm supposed to like disclose that it's an affiliate link, but basically what it does is just if you click on it and you buy something within that click, I get like a percentage back. So that's literally all that it is. But yeah, that's it. Let me know what you guys think. Did you cop anything from Supreme on Thursday? I also had a rumor. The rumor is Maison Margiela might be dropping next week, so that'd be interesting. If it does, then that rumor is crazy. Let me know what you guys think. Do you like the Supreme Gore-Tex jacket? Did you want one? Did you hit one? Do you like the fleece jacket, or did you actually hit anything else from Supreme this week? Did you get the Spiderweb jersey, etc.? Let me know in the comments, and subscribe and leave a like and do all that cool stuff if you are enjoying the type of content that I provide. So yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in another video. Take care. Boo. Bye.